Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can add reviews to GoDaddy website. Okay, so the first thing that we are going to do here is just have to open any other web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for GoDaddy. That's right, and then you have this website. So if you don't have an account yet, then you just have to sign up for one. Okay, and then you can also subscribe to a plan. Okay, so to check your renewals and your billing, so just simply tap on this option right here. All right, and then I just have to wait for a couple of seconds before we proceed to our products. Okay, so I'm just going to skip this part for now, and then here to check or to choose your products, simply tap on your name at the top right of your screen, and then go to my products option. Okay, and then you'd be able to see here all of your websites. So you just have to choose your website. So I'm just going to use this one. Okay, so simply tap on the website that you want to customize, and then you would be directed to your dashboard. Now, to edit or customize this website, all you have to do is to simply tap on this edit website option at the bottom right. Okay, and then just wait for a couple of seconds. And right here, you can now customize your website. Now, to add a review for this one, okay, so you can either go to a different page. Okay, so you have here pages. Okay, so for example, we want the review to appear on our homepage. So first, you have to select your page. Then after that, you just have to insert the review section. So for example, I want the review to appear right here. Okay, so I'm just going to add a new section. That's right. And then after that, right here, you just have to look for the reviews. Okay, so if you cannot find the review here, you can also use the search bar at the top, and then you just have to type out reviews. That's right. And then under the social links, you have the review option. So make sure to tap on this one, and then you have the review template right here. So this is how it's going to look like. All you have to do is to tap on the add again option. Okay, so just wait while they're still adding the section. Okay, so once you have added your review section, all you have to do is to customize this one. So as you can see, we can see the connect to Facebook option right here, so that we can show the reviews in our site. Okay, so we can connect our account to Facebook. Okay, so this one is just very simple. All you have to do is to simply tap on this one. Okay, and then you would be directed to your social, where you have to connect your Facebook account. And of course, you also have the option if you want to use the Google My Business, if you don't want to use your Facebook account for this one. So it depends what kind of platform you are using for your business. Okay, so after you connect your Google to your business, then you're good to go, and you'll be able to see here now the reviews. Now, the next thing that I am going to show you is how you can actually customize this section. Okay, so to do that, tap on the review section once again, and then at the right side, as you can see, we have here the website, the theme, your store, and then the settings. Okay, so I'm just going to tap on the website. So let me just tap on this one once again. That's right. So we can customize the theme colors. So simply tap on this one. For example, I want to use this. Okay, or you can use this color right here. Just make sure that the color that you are going to use is visible. So yeah, for example, I'm just going to use this color. Okay, and then you can change the color right here. Okay, so once you're done, you can also customize the font. You can change the primary font right here. For example, I'm gonna use this. Okay, and then for the secondary font, you can also go here. So I'm just going to use this one as well. That's right. So once you are done, you can now go back right here. Okay. So for the title, as you can see, we have this one. Of course, you have to change it. So it depends of what kind of title do you want to add here. Okay, and then for the background image, of course, you should use your own. Okay, so as you can see right here, you have this bin icon. So it means that you can delete this one, then upload your own, or you can, just edit this existing image right here. So this is a full image. So all you have to do here is to crop this one. But of course, it depends of what kind of business do you have. So of course, you have to upload your own. Okay, so let me just show you on how you can actually upload your own. So let me just go back without saving. Okay, so let's go back to the background image and then tap on the change image option. So right here, as you can see, you can also generate an image. So say for example, you don't have an image yet because you just started your business, then you just, generate images that match your brand. So you just have to promote your products and grow your brand with a custom images. And then if you already have your own, then you just have to tap on the add images and it will be directed to your device files, and then you just have to choose your image. So I'm just going to generate an image for now. So just simply tap on this one. So for example, let's say massage salon. Okay, and then you just have to simply tap on this one, and then you just have to wait. And then once the image is ready and you think that it is perfect for your business, then you just have to select the image. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds, and then once everything is checked, then the image will appear right here. Okay, so let's just wait. And also, just a tip, you also need to, describe properly the image that you want to generate so that you'd be able to see here the perfect image for your business. Okay, so once done, you just have to select your image. Okay, so let's go back here. And then, of course, for the connected accounts, so you can build more trust with the customers by connecting reviews from popular sites. So you can connect the external source or you can add the reviews manually. Okay, so you have the option to actually add the reviews manually right here. So this is how it's going to look like. And then if you would like to add more, so simply tap on this add option right here so that you can add more section. Okay, so you just have to tap it right here. But the best one is and the very effective is that you have to connect to the external source, but it depends on you and how are you going to market or to show how good your business is. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve a concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below.